Welcome to Suchitra Statistics classes. Today we are going to discuss the introductory part of binomial distribution. Suppose a sample of n individuals drawn from a given population is divided into two groups according as they possess a certain attribute or do not possess that attribute. Such a division is called dichotomy. For example, the division may be into male and female, blind and not blind, literate and not literate, etc. If X individuals possess the attribute under consideration, X is an integer which may take any value from 0 to n, where n is the number of trials. Let P be the constant probability that an individual selected at random will have this attribute, say success, from the population. Then 1 minus P, which is called Q, is the probability of not possessing the attribute, say failure. That is P plus Q equal to 1. If we are repeating the trial n times, then that random variable is said to follow a binomial distribution. The binomial distribution is often used in medical science statistics as a building block for models for dichotomous outcome variables like whether a cure or not cure a particular disease, whether an individual will die within a specified period of time, etc. Binomial distribution is the sum of a series of multiple independent and identically distributed Bernoulli trials. The calculation of probability density function of binomial distribution can be illustrated as follows. Let we have n trials. X be the number of successes with the constant probability P. Then we have n minus x failures with the probability 1 minus P. One of the arrangement of these x successes and n minus x failures B SSS x times followed by FFF n minus x times. With probability of S is P. So, x times S is P raised to x and minus x times F, that is 1 minus P. So, with probability P raised to x, 1 minus P raised to n minus x. The number of arrangement of x successes and n minus x failures is NC x. Therefore, required probability is NCx P raised to x 1 minus P raised to n minus x. That is, the probabilities of the binomial distribution is calculated by multiplying the probability of success P raised to the power of number of successes x and the probability of failures 1 minus P, that is Q, raised to the power of the difference between the number of successes and the number of trials, say n minus x, that is P raised to x, Q raised to n minus x. Then multiply the product by the combination between the number of trials and the number of successes, that is NCx. So, f of x and p is equal to p of x equal to x is equal to NCx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. What is NCx? NCx can be written in these two forms. And what is NCx? NCx is n factorial divided by x factorial into n minus x factorial, where n factorial is n into n minus 1 into etc. 3 into 2 into 1. Then let us define binomial distribution. A random variable x is defined to have a binomial distribution if the probability density function of x is given by f of x and p equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x, for x takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. n, p plus q equal to 1 and p lies between 0 and 1. 0 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 1 equal to 0 elsewhere, where n and p are the parameters of binomial distributions. And we can write that as x follows bxnp. A distribution is called a binomial distribution because the probabilities of the random variable takes the values as follows. If x equal to 0, it is q raised to n. If x equal to 1, it is nc1 q raised to n minus 1 p. If x equal to 2, it is nc2 q raised to n minus 2 p square. If x equal to small x, it is ncx q raised to n minus x p raised to x. If x equal to n, it is p raised to n, which are the successive terms of the binomial expansion q plus p raised to n. Then x is called a binomial variate. Any random variable follows binomial distribution is called a binomial variate. Binomial distribution is a probability distribution that summarizes the likelihood that a value will take one of two independent values under a given set of parameters or assumptions. The underlying assumptions of the binomial distribution are that there is only one outcome for each trial, that each trial has the same probability of success, and that each trial is mutually exclusive or independent of each other. Binomial distribution is a common discrete distribution used in statistics as opposed to a continuous distribution such as the normal distribution. Things to know from this class: define binomial distribution, how to derive the PDF of binomial distribution, what are the assumptions of binomial distribution, what is a binomial variate, when we can assure that random variable follows binomial distribution. Thank you for watching the class. If this class is found to be useful, then like and subscribe Suchitra's statistics classes. Once again, thank you.